Hey babies, it's Joy Yvonne and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm back with another natural hair video for you guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I rejuvenate my hair and my curls back to life after protective styling. If you are a watcher of my channel, then you already know that I protective style frequently, especially for the past year and a half or so. Ever since I did my big chop, I've been protective styling as a method to grow my hair back out. So I've never actually sat down and shown you guys how I go from that to this, and in today's video I definitely wanted to give you guys a step-by-step direction on my process and how I do that. Today's video is also in partnership with Porosity only, and I'm super excited about this because I've actually been using their products for a little while now and I haven't sat down to film a video on it. So if you are new to this brand, or if you've never heard of them before, or you haven't had the chance to try their products out yet, this is also your opportunity to get to know a little bit about that and just see how they overall work. So stay tuned and let's just go ahead and jump into the video. So the last protective style that I had were these knotless box braids, and I actually took them out on camera with you guys in one of my latest videos, my life update video. So if you haven't seen that yet, make sure you check it out, as well as the tutorial that I have for these box braids in itself. These are completely DIY. I did them all on my own, so feel free to go learn something. But as you can see, my hair has grown so much since my big chop, you guys. I'm super excited about all of this growth, and I really want to say it's completely due to protective styling and my hair care routine when I'm not protective styling. So after that's done, the first thing that I like to do is shampoo my hair, of course, and I'm going to be using the Too Easy collection from Porosity only, and I'm using their Clean Shampoo. Now I love the shampoo because number one, it's super slippery and it really does the job of getting my scalp really clean, my hair really clean. The scent is amazing, like it smells so good. All of their products, by the way, have a very similar scent, and it's just a really great shampoo. Next, I'm following up with their Too Thicke deep conditioner. This is very important for me, especially after protective styling. I have become a huge fan of like hair masks and treatments and deep conditioners. I deep condition my hair every single time I wash it, whether it's a co-wash or just like a clarifying shampoo day, wash day. Deep conditioning has made such a huge difference in the health of my hair, as far as the strength and the overall rejuvenation of my curls, period. My curls pop so much after I deep condition, so I like to make sure that I do that at least every 2 weeks, if not once a week. So now I'm using their Too Soft leave-in conditioner, and I love this leave-in conditioner. It makes my hair feel so good. It's definitely a very thick leave-in conditioner, and I feel like that goes for every single last one of their products. A little bit goes a long way. You don't have to use a lot of products, and these jars are huge, so these products will last you a long time, especially if you're using it in moderation. So I'm getting ready to do a 2-strand twist out on my hair, and for this I'm going to be using their Too Slick styling cream. And when I say a little bit goes a long way, I really mean that, especially when it comes to the styling cream. So you want to make sure that you put enough product on your hair and just go ahead and detangle before styling. Of course, if you guys haven't seen any of my twist out tutorials, that's what I like to do. I like to make sure my hair is detangled before twisting, because that is like the main key way to make sure that you're going to get as much definition out of your twist as possible. So I'm just going to speed through this and 2-strand my whole entire head, and I'm using pretty medium sections of this. I'm not being neat at all. Doing twist outs is one of my favorite methods of styling, especially after protective styling, because it's one of the fastest and most reliable styling methods of mine that I can do, that I know is going to be cute, that's immediately just going to get my fro back popping after I take my hair out. So I love twist outs. You can let me know down below what your favorite styling method is. A twist outs will forever be my go-to though. So now I'm just going to go ahead and run through and separate my hair, taking my time, making sure that I'm maintaining as much definition as possible while also creating the volume that I like. But these products did such a great job with the definition of my hair. Like I said, I love the styling cream. This is probably like my second or third time using it. And every time that I use it, it just does exactly what I need for it to do. Okay, they understood the assignment and I'm very pleased. So I love how this twist out turned out. And there you have it, guys. This is how I rejuvenate my hair and bring it back to life after protective styling. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this entire process. Let me know if you do anything similar. I would love to know. Also, too, don't forget to check the description box down below for the products that I used, and also follow me on Instagram at JoyNayvon. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Give it a big thumbs up if you learned something or if it was helpful. And until then, I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye.